Hi, baby girl. Do you want to crawl to me? Say, I can go forward and reverse. Here I go. Here I go. Do you like the feeling of the hardwoods? Connor apparently is playing a hard rock soundtrack in the background. Come on, sweetie. Come see daddy. That's it. Yay! I can crawl now. I'm good at this. Peyton, come see daddy. Come see me. Come see me. There we go. Yay! Great job. Keep going. Keep going. You might not want to roll over. It's going to hurt your head. Come on. Come see me. Come see me. Oh, you're doing the spin move, huh? You say da da da. Da da da. Ah da da da. Come back here. Come back this way. Nice spinning.